Look out! All right. Got the old Husqvarna 41. Gloves, you know. Of course, have your goggles. Maybe even a hat. Camera. Ready to go. Alright, fellas. I'm going to show you something here now that I got some of this shit cleaned out. This is one of those things you try to do if you can. See how that tree fell? Right across that old dam, and then bam. We got a tripod sitting right here. As long as you don't cut this limb off right here, or that limb off right there, this tree ain't gonna roll back and forth. So you can debranch it and everything and not have to worry about shit. I mean, you still keep an eye open in case one of them fuckers breaks. That one's stuck down right there. That one's stuck down right there. There's also one in the middle. It sticks out right there too. There's 3 points of contact right there. Alright, enough of a break. Back to it, ladies. Here she is, just about all done. Got some more logs to chuck up, you know, firewood shit. Most of the top's gone. There's 2 more little pieces down there, but let you know how she goes. Well, there she is, all cut up. That's just little stuff. Gonna be firewood, so let it sit. Got some shit there too. A couple of the bigger pieces drug off. Done with this old Husqvarna. It's been modified because they run faster when the brake's off. You know, so we took the brake off. I don't need no brakes. And then for old timiness, put a wooden trigger on her. You know, runs like a hot damn. Pretty good little machine. Didn't use that still. It's not running right. I have to do some carburetor work on it. But love, hate, comment, share, subscribe. You can send emails to hardknocksforge@gmail.com if you want to send me something. We'll talk about it. But no panties. They never fit.